Hi, I'm Joanne Butler. It is so important to cherish mealtime with the family. It's the time when everyone gets together and talks about their day, and it's really a time when you can learn about what your kids are up to and what summer adventures they're excited about. It may sound cliche, but it's so true. So I'm all about anything that can make the prep time quicker so we have more time to sit and eat together. So my first tip is to embrace batch cooking. Invest in some quality containers like these that freeze well, and then simply double or even triple your favorite recipes. Next up, side dishes. Side dishes really make any meal, especially for the kids, but you don't want to labor over them. So I'm always thinking about good things that are easy. And Rice-A-Roni, which is a brand I've always loved, is making it even easier with these new heat and eat microwavable rice pouches. Just love them. They microwave in 90 seconds. So talk about minimal prep, super easy, no fuss, no mess, and they're so flavorful and delicious. They come in 3 flavors, herb and butter, garlic and olive oil, and spicy Spanish, so there's something for everyone to enjoy. Completes any meal you're making or to mix into a dish like we did here. These will really help you get food on the table fast for more time spent on what really matters. And since mornings can be especially hectic, I like to prepare for that at night. Overnight oats are my go-to and great for the summer. I like to just put them in a jar like this with your favorite milk or dairy alternative. Give it a stir, let it soak in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you have a grab-and-go breakfast. So super easy. I like to add bananas and blueberries or chia seeds to mine. My kids like trail mix. It's all about the little things that make a big difference to make life easier. For more info about Rice-A-Roni and some delicious dinner recipes for the entire family, visit their website, ricearoni.com.